Imagine a world where kids with dexterity limitations no longer have to struggle with everyday tasks. Meet Project Fox, a robot designed with the intention to push us one step closer towards our goal for equal opportunity for all.
Around the world, millions of kids every day struggle with things like writing, tying their shoes,
and zipping up their jacket. Project Focus on Dexterity, otherwise known as Project Fox, aims to help kids overcome dexterity limitations, overall making STEAM more accessible to all.
Thomas Edison once said that the value of an idea relies within using it. Project Fox realizes that the existence of an idea isn't enough. Having worked on this project for the last 3 years, we've expanded its usage by implementing it into the school's EC departments.
Back in 2022, the team got together to figure out what our goals for the project were and how we wanted to achieve them.
From the start, we knew we wanted our robot to be small so that it could be moved from place to place.
We wanted it to be able to make letters, shapes, and numbers while the child's hand rested comfortably on the robot.
However, our biggest goal was to have this robot implemented into every Johnston County school and maintain it for years after its integration.
We specifically designed this robot to involve kids with dexterity limitations in STEAM, using our robot that we created to help them see the world through the lens of an engineer. We knew the foundations of the idea and what we wanted to achieve using this project.
We knew we needed to build, code, 3D print, and market this project among many other things. We put this information into a design brief using the same structured approach that is used by many engineers.
This helped us clearly define our goals and consider the needs of our target audience, schools within our county with EC departments. With these guidelines in mind, we brainstormed potential solutions and set our insights to developing our first prototype to guide us through the duration of this project.
This prototype was not an overall success. While it operated well, it did not fit the requirements specified in our design brief. Throughout our project, we made several revisions, starting with a complete redesign. We transitioned from our original track design to a newer approach that's centered around a LEGO EV3 robot.
New LEGO design, our team found it easier than ever to make iterations at any point in the process. This proved useful as we locked down on the carousel design that sits off the robot, sustainably creating the part that the student's hand would sit on. This 3D printed part, designed and manufactured by our team, allows the student's hand to remain still as the robot completes its course in motion. As the robot traces the letter, shape, or number, the student's hand develops muscle memory. So eventually, after they do this enough times, the student will be able to write this letter, shape, or number independently.
Shortly after this model was made, we hosted the Fox Fall Festival in November of 2022, a chalk walk dedicated to promoting awareness for this project, with over 100 participants attending. At this festival, we had many STEAM activities, such as face painting, t-shirt dyeing, robot demonstrations, and STEAM challenges, all trying to show our public that we want these opportunities to be available for everyone.
The following year, we hosted another festival similar to the prior one to continue bringing awareness to Project Fox. Hosting this Renaissance Fox Festival allowed us to target and reach out to more people, bringing the total number of attendees to 200. We had STEAM activities like spaghetti and marshmallow towers, and our robot demonstrations from our robotics teams to continue showing our efforts to our county the importance of STEAM learning.
While the EV3 worked great, eventually LEGO stopped producing it. So we had to switch to something else. Luckily, we found the MBot Neo and we started applying our research to it.
Our team created a bunch of 3D printed parts. This made our robot design even better. We also used the ultrasonic sensor from the Thomas Edison kit to uplift our design even more. The ultrasonic sensor is extremely important because it makes our robot see when there's an object in front of it and stops it from moving anymore. This can prevent our robot from getting damaged or broken.
We hosted a third awareness festival for Project Fox using an MBot Neo. At the first Family Fun Day, with the support of 13 local businesses and 9 robotic teams, we hosted more than 300 attendees.
From the beginning, we knew we wanted to create the perfect robot. And while we were close, we knew there were still areas for improvement. To remedy this, we met with a team of engineering students from UNC Chapel Hill. While reviewing their makerspace, we gathered valuable feedback that helped us refine our design further.
Since then, we have continued to perfect our bot, and our success is evident. A prime example of our success is when we integrated our bot into New Charter School, a K-12 school in Smithfield, Johnston County.
Through their EC department, the bot teaches their students how to draw letters, shapes, and numbers, all while the teachers provide crucial feedback so that we can make continuous improvements.
Our efforts have been recognized and appreciated, even earning us a spot on the local news. As we continue to refine and expand Project Fox, we remain committed to empowering students with dexterity limitations, ensuring that they all have the opportunity to engage in STEAM-based learning, allowing them to reach their full potential, and embodying the famous Thomas and Edison quote, "The greatest invention in the world is the mind of a child."